This MacBook Pro is functional, but here is one problem, and battery is damaged. You can see this battery become a paddy. Okay, I'll change this laptop battery, install a new one. Before I do anything, and I need to open this another screw also. And finally I open this, and this is very hard to open, and be careful when you open this, and don't use the any metal things, and that can be bust your battery. And this is the original brand new battery. I'll install it here. Okay, and here I have brought a one set screw of the body. Let's open it, and this is the battery, and they provide us two screwdriver. Okay, after connecting the battery, you just set up this here. And our battery installation work is done. And let's turn on this. Let's see what happened. Battery is low. Okay, I will charge this, and after that check what happened. Plug in the charger, go to the preference, system preference, and here is a battery, and it will take almost 1.5 hours, and I will give this time, and after that I will check the battery condition. Okay viewers, thanks for watching.